Nestled amidst the lush highlands of West Java, Bandung is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends rich history with modern innovation. Known as the Paris of Java, Bandung boasts an impressive collection of colonial architecture, reflecting its colonial past and giving the city a charming, nostalgic ambience. Walking through its streets, visitors can admire elegant Art Deco buildings, grandiose mansions, and historic landmarks that tell stories of a bygone era, all nestled within a verdant landscape. The city's climate is one of its defining features, characterized by a cool, temperate atmosphere due to its elevation of approximately 700 meters above sea level. This comfortable climate makes Bandung a popular retreat for residents of Indonesia's bustling capital, Jakarta, seeking relief from tropical heat. The city's weather also fosters lush greenery, with expansive parks, botanical gardens, and surrounding tea plantations, creating a picturesque environment that invites outdoor activities and relaxation. Bandung's cultural scene is as diverse as its architecture. The city is a melting pot of traditions, reflected in its vibrant art galleries, bustling markets, and lively street performances. Savvy visitors can explore local crafts at the famed Cihampelas Street, renowned for its textile shops and vibrant boutiques. The city also hosts numerous festivals celebrating Sundanese heritage, traditional music, dance, and culinary delights, offering immersive experiences into the region's cultural richness. Education and innovation play a key role in Bandung's development. It is home to several prominent universities, including the Bandung Institute of Technology, ITB, which has gained international recognition for its engineering and science programs. This academic environment fosters a youthful, dynamic population that drives technological advancements and entrepreneurial ventures. The city's thriving startup scene benefits from a strong network of innovation hubs, co-working spaces, and collaborative initiatives that position Bandung as a burgeoning tech hub. Economically, Bandung has evolved from a colonial resort city into an important center for manufacturing, fashion, and creative industries. Its textile industry is renowned, producing high-quality fabrics and garments that are exported worldwide. The city's thriving fashion scene is further exemplified by numerous local designers and boutiques, making Bandung a fashion capital of Indonesia. Additionally, the culinary landscape is diverse, with street food stalls and restaurants offering everything from traditional Sundanese dishes to fusion cuisine, reflecting the city's openness to cultural exchange. Transportation infrastructure in Bandung is continually improving, with well-developed road networks connecting it to Jakarta and other major cities. The city is served by an expanding railway system, facilitating efficient travel for commuters and tourists alike. Recent developments include plans for a high-speed rail link, which promises to reduce travel time significantly and boost economic integration within the region. Bandung's natural surroundings are equally compelling. The city is a gateway to breathtaking volcanic landscapes, geothermal hot springs, and scenic waterfalls. Nearby Tangkuban Parahu volcano offers an otherworldly experience with its crater tours, while Ciater Hot Spring provides relaxing baths amidst picturesque scenery. These natural attractions not only contribute to the city's tourism appeal but also highlight Indonesia's geological diversity. The local cuisine is a delightful reflection of Sundanese culture, emphasizing fresh ingredients, simplicity, and bold flavors. Dishes like nasi timbel, peeps ikan, and sayur asim showcase traditional techniques and regional tastes. Food markets such as Pasar Baru serve as culinary hubs where visitors can sample authentic flavors and observe vibrant local commerce. Despite its rapid growth, Bandung remains deeply rooted in tradition. Handicrafts, music, and dance continue to flourish, preserving the city's cultural identity amidst modern developments. The local Sundanese language and customs are actively celebrated, fostering a strong sense of community and cultural pride among residents. In recent years, Bandung has made significant strides in sustainability and eco-friendly initiatives. Urban planning efforts focus on green spaces, waste management, and renewable energy projects. The city's commitment to environmental preservation is evident in initiatives to promote cycling, public transportation, and conservation of natural habitats, aligning with global efforts to create resilient urban environments. Tourism is a vital sector in Bandung's economy. Visitors are drawn to its diverse attractions, from historical sites and shopping districts to natural wonders and cultural festivals. The city's hospitality industry has expanded to accommodate this influx, with numerous hotels, resorts, and guest houses offering a range of options for travelers seeking comfort and authentic experiences. Educational tourism also thrives here, with institutions offering programs on Indonesian history, culture, and arts. Workshops in traditional crafts, cooking classes, and language courses provide immersive experiences for international visitors eager to understand local customs and practices. In the realm of arts, Bandung has cultivated a reputation as a creative hub. Its vibrant street art scene, independent theaters, and music festivals showcase local talent and contemporary expression. The city's art schools nurture emerging artists, ensuring that Bandung remains at the forefront of Indonesia's cultural innovation. The city's commitment to embracing technology is evident in its smart city initiatives. Projects aimed at improving urban services, traffic management, and public safety leverage digital solutions to enhance quality of life. These efforts demonstrate Bandung's forward-looking approach to urban development, balancing modernization with cultural preservation. Overall, Bandung embodies a unique blend of tradition and progress. Its scenic landscapes, historic architecture, vibrant culture, and innovative spirit make it a compelling destination and a dynamic place to live. As the city continues to evolve, it maintains its identity as a crossroads of history, creativity, and technological advancement, inviting all who visit to experience its enduring charm and vibrant energy.